Hello everybody, welcome to High Education Video Classroom, and today we will learn a new concept in English, Book 1, Lesson 88. Have you blah blah blah blah blah yet? Sağolasiz yaxshimisizlar? Endi bugungi darsimiz hamda oldingi darsimizninki davomi, takrori. Bo'lib bu shu have you blah blah blah blah blah yet? Shu jumla ustida takror yaparmiz. Andaqda qaranglar. Tuvandagi shu jumla bor. Ham tuvandagi jumlani shuningki savol shakli, uningki inkor shakliga aylantirib baqaylik. Masalan, birinchisini ulgu qilib sizlarga ko'z qo'ysam, masalan, Ken has seen that film. Okay. Ken has seen that film. Demek Ken o kinoni ko'rib bo'ldi. Endi buni hozir qilib ketgan zamonda savolga aylantirsa qanday bo'ldi desanglar, mush hasni oldiga chiqib olsak bo'ldi. Demek has Ken seen that film yet? Okay, has Ken seen that film yet? Okay, inkar shakl jo'rsam Ken hasn't seen that film yet. Ken o kinosini qanday qilmadi? Ko'rmadi. Has Ken seen that film yet? Ken hasn't seen that film yet. Ken o kinoni qanday qilmadi? Ko'rmadi. What about Sam? You know, Sam has had his holiday. Okay, amda o dam olishini o'tkazdi, bayram qildi. Sam has had his holiday. Nima? Amda buni savol shaklida nima dersan? O'xshashlarni hasni oldiga chiqib o'tgan bo'lsa, nima? Has Sam had his holiday? Okay, inkar shakl jo'rsam, Sam doesn't had his holiday yet. Onlekin has Sam had his holiday yet? Endi müşari bir narsa bor, intayin diqqat qilganimiz. U bo'lsa nima dersam, u yerga yetning ishlatilishi. Yet degan textcha degan gap. Bu yet odatda savol jumla va inkor jumlalarda ishlatildi. Endi men bayon jumlada ishlatishga bilaman, sana bo'lmaydi. Faqat savol jumla, inkor jumla. Masalan, Sam hasn't had his holiday yet. Has Sam had his holiday yet? Has Sam had his holiday yet? Okay, next one is Carol has made a shopping list. Okay, Carol has made a shopping list. Carol, nima deydi desanglar, Allah burun bir mol setilish tizimligini qanday qilib bo'ldi? Yasab bo'ldi. Okay, ammo bu nima deymiz desanglar, Carol hasn't made a shopping list. Carol qanday qilmadi? Textcha mol setilish tizimligini qanday qilmadi? Yasimadi. You know, Carol hasn't made a shopping list. Okay, ammo savol shakl jo'da desanglar, has Carol made a shopping list? U mol setilish tizimligini yasadimi? Okay, mol setilish tizimligini yasadimi? Demak, hasni oldiga chiqsak savol bo'ldi ekan, hasni keyinga nima qilib versaklar nima bo'larsa, inkor bo'ldi. Xo'sh, hamsa shu ko'proq mashq qilib more practice. Are you ready? Go. Written exercise example. I bought a house last year. Men o'tgan yili bir nima setib oldim? Uydan birini qanday qilib oldim? Setib oldim. Okay, I bought a house last year. Endi men aniqlab qanday o'tgan zaman. Keyinda aniq vaqt bor. Demak, o'tgan aniq ma'lum bir vaqt yuz bergan sharkatni ko'rsatadi. Okay, endi buni savol shaklida qanday o'ldirsan? O'tgan zamanniki odatda shu do yordamchi bo'ladi. Do yordamchi bo'lib ishlanib chiqqanda bu yerda mau boyninki o'tgan zaman shaklini qaytarib bought nimaga aylandi desam, boyga aylandi. Bu did bo'ldi, shunami? Shu you'ning igining oldiga chiqib qo'ysak, aniq bu demak savolga aylandi. Demak, did you buy a house last year? Okay, siz o'tgan yili uydan birini setib oldingizmi? Did you buy a house last year? Okay, inkor shakl jo'rsam, I didn't buy a house last year. Men o'tgan yili uyni qanday qilmadim, setib olmadim. I didn't buy a house last year. I didn't buy a house last year. Okay, next. You know, we heard the news on the radio. Okay, we heard the news on the radio. Okay, endi biz radiodan qanday qildik desanglar, bir xabarni qanday qildik? Angladik. Endi buni angladikmi? Okay, angladikmi desakcha. Bu o'xshashlar degishda do miyari heard nimaga aylandi? Asl shakli hear ga aylandi. Oldiga igining oldida nima bo'ldi desanglar did. Shunami? Shu bo'yicha bo'lganda mana nima desanglar, did we hear the news on the radio? Okay. Did you hear the news on the radio? Hamda misharik igisi nimishqa you aylandi desanglar, hamda masalan biz angladik shunami? Biz so'g'andiki sizlar angladingmi? deb so'raymiz. Shunga mishada did you hear the news on the radio? Deganga aylandi. Okay, inkarşaklı, we didn't hear the news on the radio. Biz radyodaki ne qanday qilmadik, anglamadik. Okay. They left this morning. They left this morning. Ular bugun ertaga yo'lga chiqdi yoki ayrıldı. Shunami? Okay, did they leave this morning? Did they leave this morning? So he got a news last week. Okay, endi ma got bo'lgandan birasida qaysa get bo'lishi nima? Demak, did he get a new car last week? Okay, did he get a new car last week? Demakchi u o'tgan hafta yangi mashina sotib oldimi? Endi men yarikma got xato besib qolibdi-ku, ya'ni chuqumlarni did he got emas, did he get? How did he get bo'lishi kerak. Beshidagi cho'risam, they didn't leave this morning. Shunami? They didn't leave this morning. Okay. Inkarshakla, he didn't get a new car last week. O'tgan hafta yangi mashina qanday qilmadi? Sotib olmadi. He didn't get a new car last week. So what have they done and when did they do? Okay. What have they done? Ular qanday qildi? Nima ishni qildi? And when did they do? Ular qachon o'shni qildi? Masalan, Lily find pen an hour ago. Lily find pen an hour ago. And the misal qaranglar. Meaning Lily has already found her pen. Lily found her pen an hour ago. Okay, degandek. Birisini shanday mana shu holatda hozir bitgan zamonda yana birisini emasam, o'tgan zaman holatida qanday qilamiz jasaymiz mana. Xo'sh, hamsa keyingisi Jim meet Mrs. Jones 2 weeks ago. Okay, anda mush Mrs. Jones bilan Jim qanday qildi? Ko'rishib bo'ldi. U yerga shakli has nima done. Demak, igisi Jim have keladi has bo. Has meet ni o'tgan bitgan shakli meet met. Shunami? Jim has met Mrs. Jones. Okay, Jim has met Mrs. Jones. Yaki Jim has already met Mrs. Jones. Jim allburun Mrs. Jones bilan qanday bo'ldi? Ko'rishib bo'ldi. Endi ko'rishdimi degan savol shakli bo'lishi. So Jim, okay. Has Jim met Mrs. Jones? And buni o'tgan zaman shakli Jim met her 2 weeks ago. Jim met her 2 weeks ago. Next one is I have breakfast 7 o'clock. Okay, I'm I have had breakfast. I have had breakfast. I have already had a breakfast. Like I would have not been the one had. I had at 7 o'clock. Okay, I had at 7 o'clock. And the boss leave 10 minutes ago. Xo'jayin ayrıldı 10 minut burun. The boss leave 10 minutes ago. The boss leave 10 minutes ago. And the boss has already left, right? The boss has already left. Okay, and bu o'tgan zaman shakli so'rasanlar, misharga leave ning o'tgan zaman shakli left bo'ladi. Demak, the boss left. Okay, the boss left 10 minutes ago. Demak, o'tgan zamonga aniq vaqt olamiz. Hozir bitgan zamonga aniq vaqt elishga qat'iy bo'lmaydi. Aniq vaqt elish bo'lmaydi. Xo'sh, and ask and answer. Avval so'rab, buningdagi qanday qilib javob bering dedi. Masalan, Emma sharpened pencil an hour ago. Demak, Emma mulkligimizni qilasizlar. Has Lily or has Emma sharpened her pencil yet? And yes, he has already sharpened her pencil. Okay, sharpened her pencil. And so when did Lily sharpen her pencil? She sharpened her pencil an hour ago. Demek bunu da avval senden ben çanıraqlı sorayımız. Zari o uçladı mı ya uçladı mı? O allı burun uçlap oldu. Ondan kaçan uçladı? O 1 saat burun. Demek bizge berilgende hem de ilgisini, onundaki pilini, onundaki nenden müşeriki nersin objektini berip oldu. Şunama? Sizler müşe senden ben çanıraqlı koçunu kandak bakınlar eydi orsanlar müşünü isteyenike sınıf bakmaşı. Hoş. Ansıma keyinki misallarla she tell him the truth last night. Okay. And bunun sual şeklini verirsenler, has she told him the truth yet? İşte mi? Bununki sual şekli. Cevap bir bakınlar. O dep oldu. Allı burun. Değil mi? Yes. she has already told the truth. Right? She has already told him the truth. So, and قَچَنْ dedi? When did? So, when did she tell him? Okay. When did she tell him the truth? Okay. And she told him the truth last night. Okay. She told him the truth last night. Told him the truth last night. And he sent a letter yesterday. He sent a letter yesterday. O tünügün qanday qildi? Onun bir parça xat. So, has it sent him a letter yet? Okay, yeah. She has already sent a letter. Okay, so when did he send a letter? Sent a letter. O qachon yo'lladi? He sent a letter yesterday. Okay, he sent a letter yesterday. Demek nima o'tgan zamonga, o'tgan zamoncha javob beradigan gap. Xo'sh, endi she swept the floor yesterday morning, shunami? Endi u ya'ni supurib bo'ldimi? Demak, bunga has she swept the floor? Savolga, keniga? Yet. Yaxshi. Has she swept the floor yet? Yeah, she has already swept the floor. Allah burun supurib bo'ldi. So, qachon supadi? When did she sweep the floor? Qachon supadi? She swept the floor yesterday morning. She swept the floor yesterday morning. Tunugin qanday qildi desam supadi. So, Nigel bought a new house ago. Okay. Okay, and then has Nigel bought a house yet? Yes, she has already bought a house. So, when did he buy it? Qachon setib oldi? O'tgan zamonninki, when did he buy it? He bought it 2 weeks ago. Gapni burun qanday qildi? Setib oldi. He bought it 2 weeks ago. Demak, endi buni yig'ib aytganda, shunday mentioning savol shakli shu hasni yoki have-ni oldiga chiqib qo'ygandan, inkor shakli hasni keyin natni qatqandan, undan o'tgan zaman ko'rsanglar, ama shu do yordamchi bo'ladi, do ishbarini chiqib o'tgan zamanda did qo'ylandi. Didning keyin natni qatib qo'ysak inkor, didni igini oldiga o'tkazsak nim bo'ldi desanglar, savol aylanadigan gap. Xo'sh, hamsa choose the best answer ma tanlash qaranglar. Number 1, what are you going to do this morning? Bugun atdegan nima ish qilmoqchi desa, I yet. Okay, men bir qarab kelmadim deganicha. Demak, endi bizga bir natijani beradi-ku bu yana. Demak, endi bu shanda men chaqniki inkor shakli qaysi bo'lsa, bu yerda faqat nima deyman? See. I hasn't decided yet. Okay, John, we have found your watch. My watch, thank you. Where? When didn't they building? Okay, bunun qaysi bo'la? Shanda men chaqn bulamdi yoki nima bulamdi? Buni nima desam, shu o'tgan zaman bo'ldi. Siz naridan topdingiz. Demakchi bu topmoqdan iborat bu ish Alloh bir yuz berib bo'ldi. Shuni tep bo'ldi shunami? Demak shu naridan topdingiz. So where did you find? Where did you find? I found it on the floor. Shunami? Okay. Number 3, my friend knows you very well because he many times. Demak shu sizdan necha qilib ko'rishib o'tgan. Demak shu aniqlab qanday desam, shunda men aniq vaqt emas. Keyin shu hozirgi kutgan zaman bo'ldi. Baskaga nima? He abiyarki has. Okay, he has seen many times. O necha qatim uni bilan qanday qilib bo'ldi? Ko'rishib bo'ldi degandek. Okay. All right, guys, that's all for today, and see you next time. Goodbye.